Inspirational short story. 3 sons and a bundle of sticks. Once upon a time, an old man lived with his 3 sons in a village. The 3 sons were hard workers. Still, they quarreled all the time. The old man tried a lot to unite them, but he failed. The villagers appreciated their hard work and efforts, but they made fun of them in their fights. Months passed by, and the old man fell sick. He told his sons to stay united, but they didn't listen to him. So, he decided to teach them a practical lesson so they would forget their differences and stay united. The old man called his sons. He told them, "I will give you a bundle of sticks. Separate each stick, and you will have to break each stick into 2. The one who breaks the sticks quickly will be rewarded more." The sons agreed. The old man gave each of them a bundle of 10 sticks and asked them to break each stick into pieces. They broke the sticks into pieces in minutes. And again, they started to quarrel about who came first. The old man said, "Dear sons, the game is not over. Now I will give another bundle of sticks to each of you. You will have to break the sticks as a bundle, not as separate sticks." The sons agreed and tried to break the bundle of sticks. Though they tried their best, they could not break the bundle. They failed to complete the task. The 3 sons reported their failure to their father. The old man replied, "Dear sons, see. You could easily break the single sticks into pieces, but you could not break the bundle. So if you stay united, nobody can do any harm to you. If you quarrel every time with your brothers, anyone can easily defeat you." And so the father suggested that they stick together. The 3 sons understood the power of unity and promised their father they would stay together, whatever the situation. Moral of the story. What is this inspiring short story trying to say? When solving problems, it's much easier to work together as a group rather than spend all that time bickering. This goes especially for projects that are nearing their deadlines. It's essential to focus on the task and help each other to overcome roadblocks rather than argue. This is one of the essential inspirational short stories to share, considering that we live in divisive times. Make sure your friends hear short inspirational stories like this one so they keep an open mind. It's more important to focus on the task at hand and help each other to overcome roadblocks rather than argue. Please like, share and follow.